In the process industry, SIFs are at the heart of the safety philosophy of a plant. They are not only the last resort to protect people and the environment, but when a serious accident happens in the process industry, it can literally mean the difference between staying in business or going out of business. Although the functionality of the safety instrumented functions is usually very simple, making sure that they are functionally safe and compliant with the IEC 65011 standard is not. For end users, this is a big problem, because in the end, it's the end user who is the only party that ultimately needs to be responsible for achieving SIL-compliant SIFs. But also for suppliers like EPCs and engineering companies and system integrators, this is a big issue. They sign contracts with their customers where they commit to delivering SIL-compliant SIFs. If something goes wrong, they are liable, and so are you. All of this is not an issue if you know what functional safety means and if you know what your role is on the project. But maybe you feel a bit insecure about functional safety and SIL. Or maybe you are already very competent, but you're not certified yet, and you miss out on projects and new job opportunities. In that case, this course is actually for you. But before I explain about the course, let me tell you that I started working on functional safety at university in 1994. Our department won a big project at the time from Shell, and they wanted us to calculate the probability of failed dangers of a HIP system, a high integrity pressure protection system. At the time, we did not know much better. We thought that functional safety meant a probability calculation, and we were the experts on that, and Shell was not. The IEC 61508 and the IEC 65011 standard were not even released yet. But now, many years later, I know that you do not achieve functional safety with a PFD calculation. This is only one of many requirements in 65011 that a SIF needs to comply with. Real functional safety is different, and that is what we want to explain to you in this training course. We're going to teach you what functional safety means and how it applies to safety instrumented functions and systems. We will explain to you what it is, the work that needs to be done, who needs to do what, and when you need to do that work. We will address all aspects of functional safety. The course will talk about functional safety management, about hazard and risk analysis. We will address techniques like HAZOP and LOPA and FMEA and fault-free and HAZARD. We will talk about planning the safety instrumented functions and safety systems, about designing the hardware, including the selection of equipment and making architectures, and of course about the probability calculation. But we will also talk about the application program and how to use certification, proven use and data towards your advantage. And last but not least, we will of course talk about how to operate, maintain and repair the SIFs once they are installed in the field. This is really a complete course that addresses functional safety from A through Z. When you finish this training, you will know what functional safety means and how it applies to your job. You will understand it and you will be able to communicate clearly with your colleagues and peers. I want to point out to you that our course is quite unique because it's created by people whose full-time job is functional safety. All the experience that we had from the beginning, we put into this course. You will not only see the theory behind it, but we will have many practical examples as well and some exercises for you. With this course, we transfer all the knowledge that we have to you so that you understand functional safety much faster than we ever had to learn it. Now, optionally, you can get your knowledge certified as well. The course comes with an exam if you choose for knowledge certification, and there you have also the option to get a TUV certificate. Getting your knowledge certified is actually a very good step for you personally. Statistics shows that the majority of the SIL projects require certified functional safety professionals. So getting your knowledge certified enhances your career opportunities. Now, go ahead and take action today. Either sign up for the next training course or request more information about the course. We hope to see you soon at our next IEC 65011 FS Engineering Certification Training course.